Hello to all of you, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta and today we will understand how to run dependent sample t-test using Python. In my previous video, I have already uploaded how to test the normality of the data. Once we get normality in the data, we are able to use all the parametric tests on the variable. So in the previous video, I have discussed about one sample t-test, independent sample t-test, and now we are going to talk about dependent sample t-test. Independent sample t-test, we are comparing the means of same group, that is before the treatment and after the treatment. Say for example, if any group has undergone a training, so before the training, the knowledge domain, and after the training, the knowledge domain, is that increase or decrease? The null hypothesis is there is no significant difference in means before and after the treatment. Now, how we can run dependent sample t-test? Let's see in Python. So first of all, we'll have to import the dataset, import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP, import researchpy as RP. Then we will activate the data frame df is equal to pd.read underscore csv. We'll specify the path where the data frame is located. Then we will run df. Now I want to compare the salary of an employee, the beginning salary, that is before joining the company, and after joining the company. Is there any significant difference? So I want to compare the mean of salary begin and mean of current salary. So for this, I'll be running paired sample t-test, also known as a dependent sample t-test. The null hypothesis is there is no significant difference in beginning salary and current salary. The alternative is there is significant difference in beginning salary and current salary. We'll be running paired sample t-test. This data frame we have already imported. This library also activated. The only additional thing which you have to activate is from SciPy import stats. Now we'll be extracting the data frame in which only salary and salary begin is there. So df is equal to df salary, salary begin, copy. So now our data frame consists of only two variables, salary and salary begin. Now I'll be running the stats comma p is equal to stats dot t-test underscore related rel df salary comma df salary begin. Then print statistics is equal to percentage dot three floats. It means that generate the statistics till three decimals. P is equal to percentage dot three f percentage stat comma p. Interpret. So this is a 5% level of the significance. If p is greater than alpha, the condition is the means of salary and salary begin are equal. That is, we fail to reject null. Else, means of salary and salary begin are not equal. We reject null. So if your p value is less than 0.05, we'll reject null. So when we'll run this test, we got the p value which is less than 5% level of significance, that is 0.05, and therefore the second condition is activated, that the means of salary and salary begin are not equal. So this is a way you can run dependent sample t-test in Python. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos which are related to data science using Python. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.